Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and we all need a little extra grease every so often. And that's why this WD-40 Specialist Silicone Lubricant is such a help. Now, everyone has heard of WD-40. It is so useful for anything that is squeaking or creaking or just not opening right. It is the perfect lubricant for pretty much anything. Now, the main thing I think is totally cool about this thing, how many people have gotten WD-40 and lost the straw that was taped to the outside of the can? So I love this, what they call a smart straw. It is a nozzle here on the top that has a hinge, and that straw is super important, especially when you're needing to lubricate something that is in a tight spot that you can't reach. Like, for example, we have a big sliding door and it is really old, really banged up, but we don't want to replace it. So when we find it is starting to get hard to close and to open, that's when we get this out. And because of the straw, not only are we able to lubricate underneath all of the openings of the tracks, but we're actually able to stick it underneath the door. I keep one in my bedroom because it is very dry where I live. And I find in certain parts of the year, my doors squeak so much. So I love having this nearby. I'm able to just pull it out, spray the hinges, and within less than a second, it is already working so much better. The squeak is gone. It opens and closes with ease. It is wonderful. I think everyone needs this in their house, and that's my point of view.